Hello my friends, I have another tutorial for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This one is construction, road sign and files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, as you can see here, it is fairly simple. You have two rectangles, two backgrounds, go inside the merge, and then background with a merge and text with a merge for the final result. We will take the rectangle, we will take the background, put the custom resolution for full HD 1920 times 1920, like this. It needs to be square because if it's full HD then it will cut the sign on the top and the bottom. Now connect the rectangle to the background, take the merge and background to the merge like this, to the yellow arrow. Yellow arrow is for the background, and as you can see, green arrow is for the foreground. And press number 2 on the keyboard and we will get the square. Now change the color to the yellow like this. Take the rectangle and change the corner radius to 0.02 and border width a little bit for something like 0.1. Obviously you can change it, you can make a bigger corner radius or smaller, however you want. I like this one and I will keep it like this. So now copy and paste, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and connect background to the green arrow like this. Take the select the background to and change the color to the black. Select the second rectangle, uncheck the solid, reduce the border to 0.2, something like this, or 0.1 depending however you want. I think this one is perfect. And then change the corner radius to 0.1. Now we will make another merge like this. Connect to the green arrow here. Take the background, connect to the yellow arrow like this. Change the color to the black and reduce the alpha all the way back to 0. Change the resolution, uncheck the auto resolution and put the resolution 1920 times 1920. Now press number 2 on the keyboard for the second merge and we will get this. We will write 45 degrees like this and take another merge like this. Connect to the yellow arrow, take the text like this, connect to the green arrow, press number 2 on the keyboard again for the third merge, and then click on the text, write the text road construction, ahead, and change the text color to black, reduce the size to 0.7, and our road sign is finished. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.